Today we will discuss one method of extracting water surface or water information from a satellite image. So suppose we want to map a river. So instead of digitizing, what we can do, straight away we can go for just extracting the water information from a image. So in this method is also known as density slicing, and for this we require only one band. And so let me so this is Landsat 8 image, and we know that in last class we have discussed about how to prepare a composite map. Now here we don't require a composite map. uh, we don't require a composite map, we require only one band. Now we know that in Landsat 8 band 5 is infrared, and we will use infrared band for this exercise. Now if you are using Landsat TM or any other satellite, then your infrared band may be a different band, maybe band 3 or 4, so you have to check for proper infrared band. So you just add infrared band to your viewer. Okay, now you see we have a small area. This is a map where only northern part have water bodies, that is the river Brahmaputra. So what we can do, instead of working on the whole image, we can select an area of interest. So how we can do that? Just below in your drawing toolbar you have this type of different um, icons. So you click rectangles and select one rectangle of your choice so that your water area are covered. So in which area you want to work. Now next, again in the same convert graphics to features. So here you have to be layer source data, so that we can same coordinate system, uh, and then you select one output folder, and I have given one name like exercise 5 in your syllabus. So here you give a proper name, area of interest, AOI. Okay, and you see now this, it will be converted to a shape file. From a simple graphical rectangle it will be converted to a shape file. You save, okay, and click OK. Yes, now you just delete the your graphical file and you click the, now this is your shape file. So you want to extract only that part of image, you want to work only that part of image, not beyond that. So how we can do that? We can extract that part of the image with the this your marks, the polygon. So how to do that? You can go to spatial analysis extension, then extraction, then extract by mask. Okay, so your input raster is your band 5. Okay, your input raster is band 5 and your marks data is AOI. Okay, and you have to give one name of your output raster. Okay, so maybe you can extract B5. So it is your layer name, raster layer name. Okay, click OK. So you have to wait for some time so that the whole process completes. Okay, so your extraction is over. Now if you see your image, you got this image, very small area, so you don't require the bigger one. You remove that and make it a full extent. So you want to work on this region, and especially you want to extract the water surface area or river channels. So to do that, you just double click on your raster file, go to classified. Okay, so then classify, method is equal interval, classes make it 3. Now you see that those areas which have very high intensity of information, these are actually water surface region which are reflected from water information. So you need your class like this. You want to retain this region, these 3 classes. This one is 1 class, this 2 class or 3 class. So you have converted the whole region into 3 different classes. Click OK, apply, OK. Now you see your region is highlighted. The black region is your water surface region. Now till now this is not your permanent file, so you have to make it permanent or make this classes of your image a permanent data. So to do that, you need to reclassify this information. Okay, reclassify, special analysis, reclassify. So your input raster is this one, your input raster. Now you see that in image the old values, all these values will be converted to 1, and from this range will be converted to 2, and this range will be converted. So we have lot of different DN values, and it will be converted to only 3 class. Okay, so and your output raster reclass, you give one name, uh, reclass. Okay, reclass, save, click OK. Now you see these are the 3. The one class is your water bodies. So now what you want to do, you can from this raster. Now in your theory also you learn many things, different conversion techniques, raster to vector, vector to raster. So we will apply one raster to vector conversion here. Okay, so this raster to vector conversion, uh, what we do, will raster to polygon. Okay, so one easiest way to do search the tools is the search bar, um, raster to polygon. Okay, you search here and raster to polygon conversion tools. You will get Okay, so click here. Raster to polygon. Then you have input raster is reclass, and your field is value based on value 1, 2, 3, or 3 different values are there, and then we put it as polygon. So we have created polygon of different classes. Okay, and we uncheck this, we'll do it later. Okay, and then reclass. So what we have done, from the reclass value we have converted to polygon features. Click OK, and it will take some time to conversion. Okay, okay, now your whole different things are converted to polygon. Now there are certain roughness of your lines, polygon lines, so you can smooth polygons. Another feature is that smooth polygon. Smooth polygon. Again, input feature is your poly, then output feature is probably SMO. We should name accordingly such that we can identify what process we have applied to the file. Smooth poly, then smoothing tolerance you can keep 100 meters and click OK. The process is going on. Generally it takes time since there are a lot of small polygons are there, and it will. Okay, so that part is over. Now out of these things, different polygons, actually there are 3 different classes are there here. If we see the attribute table, so we have, if we see the grid code, we see that 1, 2, 3 all are there, but we require only one, which includes the river information. So again we can do that. Extract, click on extract, and then select analysis. Select analysis, that is in your input feature is smooth poly, and output feature is your wa water bodies. Water bodies. Okay, so we want only water bodies. Now there is a SQL explanation expression is required. Here you click SQL, and what is your expression? So grid code equal to 1. So this is our logic of selection. So you can verify it. So the expression was successfully verified. Okay. Then click OK. Okay. So now you see your water bodies file is almost ready. Like if you removed your previous files, now you see this is your water bodies file. Now you can give a different color, you make it outline with 0. Okay, and then this is your water, so it's beautifully taken out of your image. So you want, so if you want to map rivers, wetlands, it can be very easily mapped. Now once you have prepared this your thing, you need to prepare one final output, that is your map. So how can you do that? You just okay. So and you can also do necessary editing also. For example, if you require change of this thing, then page and print setup, and you can create landscape, okay, and scale map according to the your and make it a A4 paper, okay. Now you can drag it to the required region, and so this is your water surface area. If you don't require these wetlands or other water bodies, you can what you can do, you can simply edit and delete those portions. But this is so after doing that, you simply insert your title. What would be your title? uh, Extraction of water bodies from Landsat 8 image. Okay, click here, and based on your requirement you can make it change symbol, okay, uh, and do it necessary as sizing and other things, okay. So like this, you want to make it little bigger, bold, uh, or different size or different style, okay. So this is your title. Then another important part is insert your north arrow. You must have some north arrow for your image. Put it here, okay. Then insert scale bar. Based on your scale you can go to the properties, so number of divisions 3, subdivision you can keep it 1 or even 0, no issue. Adjust division value, then this is kilometers after bar, this is km, okay. Apply, okay, okay. So this is your scale, put it here. Then one is your insert legend, okay, your water bodies generally, or you can put one more thing, you can add your area of interest, okay, then it will be looks better. Your area of interest, you can add this polygon also. So insert legend, then your you can, if you want, you can put borders here, okay, of your legend. Then your background, if you want to make some colors for your legend, so, and gap rounding, you can go and try and do these things, okay. Then finish. Now this is your legend. Now suppose you want to edit your legend after preparation of these things, okay. So how can we do that? You just drag this thing outside your area and right click here, you convert to graphics. Okay, then again ungroup. Now again ungroup, and now you want to make, like for example, the W be capital letter. Okay, apply. Okay, so again make it group, put it here. Okay, so you want to make changes of this ungroup, then you area or study area. Okay, select group, put it here. So again you select all, then group. Now you drag this to a region where you put your legend. Okay, now last thing is that you need to give the let long extension for this image. So go to the data frame properties, you need a new grid, graticles, next levels only. Maybe since this is a very small area, we put only minutes. Okay, then no minor divisions, text style, uh, okay, then you make it little bigger, these things. Okay, uh, now you see this is your now you can place these let long values according to your choice, first like vertical or horizontal, diagonally, so you can explore that in your home according to your choice. So once you prepare this map, you have to export this map, export map, export map, and your exercise file, uh, for example this is you put as exercise 5. Okay, save it, and your final product will be exported as a JPEG file, or you can have any other format, like again export. You see here you can put it as a PDF. Okay, or JPEG, or JPEG. Okay, so if you require, so it is your PDF, and if you require JPEG, and also sometimes you could TIFF, PNG. So different formats are there, and based on your resolution, the output resolution is 300 is sufficient, but sometimes you want to make it higher, or 600 dpi, like this you can increase or decrease from here. And